माफी मांगो, माफी मांगो, माफी मांगो, माफी मांगो.
Shivani, are you connected? We can hear in your background protests being raised against Rahul Gandhi.
Happening. The BJP is protesting against Rahul Gandhi and his remark which he made in the parliament today. The BJP has decided to march towards the Congress headquarters in the national capital. And here you see how the BJP workers have gathered with posters in their hand, and they have been demanding that Rahul Gandhi must apologize for whatever he said in the parliament against the Hindus. Hindus are not violent. And the leaders of the BJP have also come here. Viren Sachdeva, the MPs are here. Bansuri Swaraj and other leaders. Tejasvi Surya is also here. And they are leading this protest. In some time from now, this protest will be moving ahead. They will be marching towards the Congress head office. And this is a protest that is happening against Rahul Gandhi, where Rahul Gandhi had made a remark against the Hindus. So you see Bansuri Swaraj here. Bansuri ji, you are live. Can we just have one? We'll just try to take a word from Bansuri ji. She has to leave now, and they all are here, and they have been leading this protest against Rahul Gandhi, where they have been demanding apology. They say that now Tejasvi Surya is speaking in this protest. We see that all these leaders have gathered, and they say that Rahul Gandhi has heard the sentiments of crores of Hindus across the country and across the globe too, and he must apologize for whatever he has said. So here we see this protest happening against Rahul Gandhi, seeking an apology, though we know that whatever he had said against the Hindus has been expunged from the record of the parliament, but still the BJP is now staging this protest, and they will be marching towards the Congress headquarters shortly.
लोकप्रिय सांसद बांसुरी जी, दिल्ली प्रदेश के युवा मोर्चा के अध्यक्ष सागर त्यागी जी, और इस प्रदर्शन में हम सब के बीच पधारे दिल्ली प्रदेश के भारतीय जनता पार्टी के और हर मोर्चा के युवा मोर्चा.
Well, that is Tejasvi Surya, as Shivani is also trying to get it a word from the BJP leaders there, because all of those leaders and the MPs coming from different parts of the country at Shivani, because of the parliament session, they have been in the national capital. But also, if you can try and get in a word of how the opposition behaved yesterday during the Prime Minister's address.
और राहुल गांधी जी ने
Certainly, Amita, the opposition has been hooting when Prime Minister was speaking, and this has perhaps happened for the first time when the Prime Minister was replying to the motion of thanks on the President's address in the House. Continuously, there were comments, there were slogans, they were hooting from the opposition, especially the Congress party, and we can clearly see in one video how Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, who also happens to be the leader of the opposition in the parliament in Lok Sabha, has been instigating these kind of slogans, these kind of hooting, and the behavior from the opposition leaders, the MPs in the Lok Sabha. And this kept on happening for almost 2 hours, for as long as Prime Minister was speaking. It was being made sure that he's not to be heard. But yet we saw how Prime Minister strongly put all the points. He countered Rahul Gandhi, he countered Congress, he countered the opposition, and on all the fake allegations, the accusations which they had put in the Lok Sabha. And we see that this has been condemned not only by the House in the form of a motion, a special motion that was passed after Prime Minister's address, but also in Rajya Sabha we saw how Mallikarjun Kharge was slammed by the chairman on his behavior and what he has been doing, standing up randomly, speaking anything that is not of the grace, not of the sanctity of the chair.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.